Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, 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 yo. What's good? What's up, Javian? Active, fully active, bad bro. Abadabo. What's up, bro? What's up, Abadabo? Bro, bro, I've been up since 1 a.m. trying to fix some things. I had to set up one PC, then set up another PC, bro. It's just been tough all morning trying to do these technicals, bro. But price has been ranging anyway, so we didn't miss anything. We didn't miss anything, bro. Gold has been ranging. Chart look clean, bad bro. Oh, mad thing. Clean? I say clean. The artsy girly, finally. The artsy girly. Hey, what's up? What's up? Jesus. Bro, been waiting. Man, I had to restart my laptop and everything, bro. I had to restart the laptop and everything. It's a lot of stuff to download. I gotta log in, change the settings. So much, bro. Mano, morning, bro. What's up, bro? What's good, Mano? What's good? But let's see. I mean, we locked in. We locked in. We locked in regardless. We're still locked in. We're still locked in. All right, right now on Goldie, this is all we got. We are there all time. So we're just chilling right here. We're just chilling right here on Goldie. We're chilling on Goldie right now. You guys had a good weekend though. I feel like the weekend just went off so quick. Just went so quick. I've been grinding this weekend. Hey Brad, late for the live today. Yeah, I had to restart computer, download everything all over again. I had to do all that stuff, bro. For the past 3 hours I've been trying to set up. I can't believe it. Woke up at 1, bro. Since 1 a.m., bro. I've been trying to fix all this stuff. Today I was like, oh damn. No stream today. I was like, oh hell nah. Gotta pull through. Gotta pull through. Yeah, the grind ain't gonna stop. Took this trade, bro, today. Which trade? What trade you took today? I don't see no trade here yet. What's up, Brad? Coming back to you with another bang of holding goals since 3051. Since 3051? Let's go. 3051. All the way down here, bro. You've been holding this since 3051? You've been holding this since 3051? 30.51. Damn, bro, you been holding since 30.51. Where are you holding it to? You holding it to Ireland? Almost 1,000 pips. Bro, that is a good hold, bro. How many pips? Like, what's your goal? Like 700 pips, bro. What's your goal, bro? 10,000 pips or what? Infinity? You gonna wait until your your kid leaves like college or something, like saving that money? 1,000 pips, bro. That is crazy. Sentiment. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Right now on gold, the 30-minute time frame looks good. I just don't. The 15-minute. Let me see. The wicks are tough on the 30-minute. These wicks are brutal. The wicks are brutal. Let's see what the 1 hour is saying. What time is it? 4:54. Maybe the next 1 hour candle, if you can like open, break the low. You know, it all depends on how this candle closes. You know, I want to see something solid. Because you got to break like the previous low, previous H1 low. Like, you know, like it's too far from the previous. Because this could just be pulling back. But I'm looking for sells, I'm looking for buys. You know, whichever happened. Whichever happened. But this is the H1 low right here. So I'm gonna keep note of this level right here, H1 low. Right there. You could get a nice like break and close above here too. That's not bad. Like 30 pips to this wick. You know, if there's gonna be some rejection up here, like could manage risk. I wanna see like a nice break and close. That's what I would want to see. A nice break and close right here. And right here, I want to see the same thing. Nice break and close. We got like 56 pips. In here, it's kind of tough. We need some better price action in here. I want to see a better price action in here. As of now, it just look like it's ranging. So I want to see some better price action in here because this is a 100 pip range. So you can still get some trades in here. So I'm just waiting to see what happened and to see what happened in here. This is the H1 low. H1 low right here. Yeah, as of now, like it's just as of now, it's just like it's just ranging in this area right here. It's just ranging right here. This is the H1 low. So you gotta pay attention to this. Gotta pay attention right here. 34 pips. Let's see. Let's wait on some candles to print. Let's wait on some candles to print, and then we can see what's happening. As of now, we just gotta wait. Just gotta wait on Goldie over here. All right, let's see. Where's the chart? YouTube live control panel. Trying to find the chart over here. Trying to find the chart. All right, let's see. Sentiments for NZDJPY and your JPY. Let's see. NZDJPY. NZDJPY. Let's see NZDJPY. I mean, damn, this thing is dropping. This thing is just dropping, bro. This thing is dropping like crazy. I mean, we got some support over here. We got some H1 support over here. H4. Trying to fix some things over here, bro. Gotta download and set up everything all over again. All over again. Bro, you can't do anything on NZDJPY. If you're gonna look for a sell, like, you just gotta wait on this thing over and over again. I gotta download this. Oh shoot, bro. Yeah, you just gotta wait on resistance again, bro, and then for the break support, resistance, break support. You know, it's just going down right now, so you gotta wait for another resistance on this one. Crazy stuff. It looks good though. It looks real good. It looks really good, bro. I mean, it should be pulling back at some point. It would be crazy if this can come all the way down here. That would be crazy. GJ. Yeah, I was looking at GJ too. Like, it's just, them JPY pairs are just going down right now. Yeah, all of them going down right now. Maybe not USD JPY. USD JPY is always lagging behind. See USD JPY. Oh, even USD JPY too. So the JPY, like, everything on the JPY is just like dropping. Yeah, same thing on EJ, bro. Like, NCD, JPY, EJ, like, you know, same thing. Hey, what's up, Alfred? Alfredo. Thursday. You held it since, damn, bro, since Thursday? Why is it like each week it's a new all-time high? Yeah, that's just how it's moving right now, bro. That's just how it moves sometimes. A USD JPY 5 minute, 1 hour buy from 5 minute order, maybe good. Yeah, if you buying, if you selling right now on the wait, we said buy US JPY, bro. The JPY they're going down, bro. They're going down right now. Like you really don't need to be buying this thing, bro. Like they're going down. You really don't need to be buying JPY right now. Um, was your Friday last week, bro? Bro, it was good, bro. It was good. Last week was good, bro. Like the Friday, last week Friday was good. Oh, you go. Hey, why pre, Gary? Why pre? There, bro. Slow start, but we're trying to kick the gear in, bro. GU, let's see GU. Trying to kick the gear in, bro. Trying to kick the gear in. GU, let's see. I want to see sells below this level right here. I want to leave this range. That's what I would want to see on GU. Yeah, I want to see like, something closing below here, bro. On GU. GJ, it's surprisingly, bro, this thing is just going. I want to see some reaction or something. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting to see. I don't see anything that's just breaking a level or, I mean, AU just broke this level. So I'm gonna keep an eye on AU. So AU will be interesting right now. The H4 close below, so I'm gonna be looking for some pullback on this thing over here. But like, what I want to see something breaking a major level, like are reacting. So like 80 Swiss, it just came all the way down since Friday. So I'm gonna wait on some support. We're at some support here. So I want to see like some reaction, some support, something. GJ, I can't do anything on GJ until it gets down here or do some type of pullback. GU, I mean, GU's not looking bad. It's about to break this thing over here. Um, but apart from that, like, let's see, EJ. Yeah, same thing like EJ, GJ, same stuff. GU, you want to see break, bro? Hey, Mickey, what's up, bro? Good morning, my friend. How are you? Weekend is good, but traders need market open. Hey, bro, we locked in, bro. We locked in. It's already a new week, bro. All that FOMO is gone. All that revenge, all that emotion is gone, bro. It's a whole new week. Good. I started an Apex challenge, so I'm moving slow. Hey, yeah, bro, no rush. You just gotta take it slow, bro. Like, no rush, bro. AU, I'm just waiting for some pullback over here. Gold. Yeah, the 30 minute looks like, the 30 minute kind of look like it got something going on, but I don't know about these wicks, bro. Like the wicks are concerning for me, bro. Is this stream oh, is it lagging? Is it lagging over here? Yeah, the 30 minute, bro, is like looks tough. 30 minute looks tough over here. But it's a Monday, we're not really in a rush right now. We're just chilling. We're just chilling, waiting. We're just chilling, waiting. So what I want to see is, I want to see gold, just some better structure. Like, I mean, it's just ranging in here. It's a huge range though. It's 100 pip range. And on the swing side, like AU, want to see some pullback on AU. Let's see some pullback on AU. So let's see. Yeah, if AU can do like a nice pullback, I'll be interested in AU getting on some sells. I'll be interested in AU if it can do that. Nothing crazy, just a small pullback. Let's see. Let's use this push. Yeah, so even this initial setup wouldn't be too bad. So let's see. I'm bullish on gold, wanting bullish on gold and waiting to create support or break high. Yeah, same. I mean, the support that we would have right now is just, let's see, ranging. The support is ranging. You know, usually like if it's gonna create nice support, like, you know, so let's see, maybe the 1 hour, but the longer it takes, the weaker and weaker it's getting. You know, the weaker and weaker. So let's see. If it's gonna range, then you know we can break on the downside and the upside. We just gotta be prepared. But I'm waiting on both. Like if a candle can break and close with a body above here, then I'll be interested. As of now, I want to see some stuff happening below this level with some volume or something, because this is still 100 pip range. So you know, let's see. I had to, I had I had got a gold buy earlier for 1 to 2. Besides that, I can't catch nothing. Oh, you got something 1 to 2 earlier? Yeah, right now it's just ranging. Look at the candles, they're so small too. No volume, it's just ranging. So we didn't miss anything today. We have lots of weeks. 30-minute candle on gold, and for me looking Celsius, what do you think? You know, I'm still open to both. Just gotta see what happen when price break, especially down here. You know, just want to see some volume. You know, the wicks are tough, but let's see. Because it's been going up. It's been going up since Friday. So, you know, today's a whole new week, different price action, you know, so it's losing momentum on the upside. You got crazy rejection here. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see. I'm gonna be prepared for both buys and sells. You know, I don't really want to think about it too much. I just want to see, like, you know, it lost momentum. It's ranging. If it can break and close below, then, you know, I'll be ready to manage risk if it can. Because the thing is, I'm not trying to hold it too long. So if it's not going the way how, you know, I want it to go, I'm gonna just close. I'm gonna just manage it. If I was trying to hold it, then I'll be like, you know, super cautious about the execution. But right now, like, just waiting on, like, you know, break and close with a body, you know, some stuff happening down here. As of now, can't see much. And the 30 minutes is like not much volume either. So, you know, this is what we had for the past hour, like nothing. You know, since London open, because we gotta start waking up earlier, bro. We gotta be locked in at 2 a.m. Eastern time. We gotta be locked in at 2 a.m. Eastern time, because the daylight time zone changed, bro. What time is it now? 5. Let's see. See right now, bro. It's changed. It's changed. So 2 hours ago, bro. London opened 2 hours ago at 3:18. London opened 2 hours ago. So that's 3:18 for me. So we back to the original time as of today. So we gotta start locking in at 2 a.m. Eastern time. Texas, I can't see the room. Manhole giving 1 to 1 minutes on bars. I did small trade on UJ. You did small trade. You did small. What do you do? Sells are looking okay on the JPY. USD Swiss shard fade me out Russian. What's up, bro? USD Swiss shard fade me out today. USD Swiss shard. Let's check news real quick. Let's check news real quick. Let's see what's happening. All right, so we don't got anything right now. We got this red folder all day, so we got to be careful of EU. We got to manage risk on EU. EU is shipping in consecutive days. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. USD Swiss. Got fake out on USD Swiss. USD Swiss. USD Swiss shard fake me out. Oh yeah, bro. I see what you're saying. That is crazy. Crazy stuff over here. Oh, so you got in. Where did you enter? I feel like this is a crazy not like right here, bro. Like I would have executed here. If I was looking to short, that would have looked good, bro, for execution right here. After that bear candle. I'd be interested right there. Got a rejection. This candle closed bearish. But this is the thing, bro, like it went down, bro. It went down here, so like at this point, bro, like you gotta start managing risk. Gotta start managing risk. Something, bro. But this is not looking good, bro. I mean, I know you wouldn't know, but crazy, yeah. Open with no bottom wick too, so close with no bottom wick. Yeah, can't do anything about this, bro. Can't do anything about this. Can't do anything about that, bro. I mean, he broke below this consolidation, like crazy stuff. Can't do anything, bro. Same candle, same candle. That's the candle that you got in on that same candle. Let's see. Let's see what it's looking like on the 30-minute. Oh yeah, right here, bro. It looks good. Can't do anything about that, bro. Can't do anything about that. Can't do anything. Can't do anything, bro. Cause that was I mean, that was a fair rejection. That was a fair rejection here. Retest on wicks is invalid. I mean, we got wicks here. We got lots of wicks right here. It's still a rejection. Same thing. I might do 1 to 2 small trades on UJ and maybe GU. Nanji, what's up? What's up, Nanji? Nanji. might only do 1 to 2 trends USD JPOR, maybe GU. Let's see. Let's see. That green engulfing candle is a valid retest. This is looking more of volume to not looking good on the. If I was looking for a retest, I would not want to see this candle. I would want to see a rejection or something. If you're looking for sells, you don't want to see green engulfing candle. If you're looking for sells, you don't want to see that, Alfred. Took a big L on gold today, calling it a day to tomorrow. Oh, damn, what happened? What time you started? Because I don't see anything happening on gold right now. I don't see anything on gold right now, bro. I mean, we're getting some volume. You see, the 30-minute time frame is taking its time. The 30-minute time frame is taking its time. Yeah, I wasn't convinced with this price action. Let's see. All right, so we're getting some more confirmation over here. We got 5 more minutes until the next 15 minutes. Let's see what happened over here. You can't sit for long, your back pain. You can't sit for long, your back pain. Mikhail, how you know I got back pain when I sit long? How you know that, bro? You can't sit for long, your back pain. Bro, you see me be doing stuff like this and cracking my back. That's why you say that, bro. You can't sit for yeah. Funny, bro. Funny, bro. Nah, hit stop loss. Did I sell at 30.10? You just sell at 30.10. The candle, you took it on the 5-minute time frame. You took it at the 5-minute time frame or something. Cause I feel like this candle didn't close. 30.10. You gotta use a 15-minute, bro. Because this candle didn't even if this candle closed, this next candle didn't, it didn't flip and break the bottom wick. So that's the thing too. This is a decent candle, but you see, like, you gotta wait for this candle to flip and break, bro. If you are waiting for the candle to flip and break this low, then that would have been better rather than executing on this 5-minute. Yeah, bro. 30.10. You could have dodged this one, bro. Did I sell at 30.10? Yeah, I could have dodged this one. I could have dodged this one right here. Did I sell at 30.10? 30.10? Oh, wait, you said 30.10? Did I sell at 30.10? How you did I sell at 30.10? 31.10. You must mean 31.10, right? Right here. I have back problem because I sit or no, I will not lie down on the sofa. Yeah, you do. Yeah, back pain is tough, bro. You gotta do some stretches. I gotta do some stretches. After this shit, I gotta do some stretches. Damn, gold goes from 2.8K to 3.1 in just 1 month. Yeah, crazy stuff on gold, bro. I still don't get how to trade gold. Bro, if you feel better about how you trade like EU and GU them, like just focus on that first, bro. Then you can learn gold. You know, just focus on that first, then you can learn gold. But I mean, it's pretty simple. Just do support, resistance, and price action, bro. Nothing crazy on gold. We're just waiting. Right now, I'm just waiting. It's not the best. It's not the best levels right now. On the 30 minute, you got like crazy wick. We got wick, 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 wick. And then the 15 minute is not like, you know, as clean. Need volume to break through some of this stuff. I need some volume, bro. If you're gonna break through some of this stuff, I need some volume. USD Swiss, yeah, bro. Like USD Swiss was a fake out on the sell side. Let's see AU. Still waiting on AU to do some pullback. Is it not? Yeah, I'm gonna wait on a pullback on AU. Like a nice pullback. The H4 has to make a proper top wick. This is not a good top wick. This is not a good top wick for the H4. That is not a good top wick on the H4. Need some pullback on here, bro. Yeah, so AU, I'm gonna set a little alert. You don't want to chase price, you know, like if it comes back, it comes back. But you definitely don't want to chase. You definitely don't want to chase, bro. But this might be it, bro. Based on the 5 minute, this might be it. This just might be it. I mean, like, this is more aggressive. All you would have to do is like, if price goes back above that range, you just like close half. You know, you just close half at that point. Yeah, I'm gonna wait on a better pullback though. I'm gonna wait on a better pullback. But then it just did this, so this might have been the pullback. Because you got to think, you got different types of pullback. You know, you get, this is one pullback, and then this is like it's just pulling back, ranging, building up some momentum, and then break. So usually, bro, when you get this, you're not gonna get this pullback. Well, let's see. I have running profit now on USDJPY, but small trades only. Okay, nice. That AUD is a good setup, but that's not yet on my list. Yeah, if you're doing EU, just focus on EU. Because you still got USD in it. Okay, so this is just going up right now. This came up, did a pullback, and now it's like, you know, it broke this, it broke the structure on the downside. So this is looking good on the buy side. It's looking good on the buy side of things. Let's do that little pullback to continue going on. But let's see. Let's see what happened on this thing. Still got to clear some highs over here. But if I was looking at this, I would be looking for buys. I'll be looking to get some buys over here. Yeah, today's a waiting day, and we didn't miss anything on Goldie. Didn't miss anything on Goldie. Let's see. Oh, it's pushing now. It is pushing now. This thing would go like looking at this right now. Why is this thing freezing? Yeah, we can't do anything. Just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. Just have to wait. Alright, so this just broke the H1. So let's see what the H1 is saying. The H1 is looking a little bit better. So now we can start looking for sells. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start looking for sells. Wait on like some resistance to break support. Maybe we could fill this range down here. You know, just gotta be careful because there's support here, support. You know, so it's not gonna be as easy to avoid to ignore this stuff unless you got like volume. There's volume to like break through support. But I'm trying to see what happened. I mean, on the second flip, on the second candle flip, oh, nice. Nice. And on the second candle flip. On which one? This one right here? This one, this 30-minute candle? Or this 30-minute candle? If you got in here, that's good, bro. If you got in on this flip, that's good. That is real good if you got in on this flip. Let's see. You just gotta wait on some price action. Does anyone here use Bullinox? I don't know what that is. 15-minute. 15-minute. Yeah, the concept is there. It's just the structure doesn't align with it. Like, this support here and then this support here, like, it's not clean. It's not as clean. It's not as clean. That's the issue. So if this candle can, like, start breaking down, then we can get some support. Then now this is making cleaner range to the to this side, So let's see if we can make some clean range with volume. Maybe some support. Like if you make some support, then you got clean range. So this is the thing. Like before, this support was an issue, but if this candle can like just keep pushing down, then you're gonna have like clean range to the right hand side. So that is not bad either. That is not bad either. That is okay. So now, like, if this candle can close down here, this is gonna be good range, and this is gonna be good range. Bro, this thing is broken. This thing is freezing over here. I'm in on the second candle play. Okay. Does anyone here use Linux? Yes. What about Island? That's good, bro. If you got in up here, yeah, you can manage risk. You could like be closing partials. No, you never know. You never know. You got in up here, like that's good, bro. That's good. Let's see AU. Yeah. AU. Let's see. I'm gonna keep an eye on AU. GJ just ranging. I feel like GJ can fill this area down here, and but I feel like it needs to do some pullback first. It needs to do some pullback before it continues coming down here. But let's see. AUD Swiss waiting on that rejection. GU. G's about to break, so that's good. Keep an eye on GU. Crazy week. Crazy week rejection over here in GU. I want to see this thing break and close below all of that noise. It's too much noise over here on GU. Too much noise. Like, it already broke up here. Didn't do a pullback. It's already approaching the support. So GU is like, I want to wait down here some more. I'm more interested in the AU doing a pullback because they got cleaner range on AU. Got a way cleaner range on AU. But I mean, AU is not gonna do that. It's not. I think that small range that it did, that was like that's as much as it's gonna get. You know, that range was the setup. You know, so can't do anything on that. Let's see, Goldie. Gotta wait on gold. Maybe some support. Maybe resistance. Let's see. I ask myself, which is better? I made one more easily. Looking buy or sell, I think buy, and maybe I miss sells, but it's okay for me. I think if I find buy setup makes more money and fast. Yeah, you're right. It's in a trend. It's in a buy trend. It's in an uptrend, bro. So you know that makes sense to lean more on the buy side. You know, you just gotta wait on that support. You just gotta wait on that setup for the buys. You know, so if you're looking for buys, like you just gotta wait until the sell is, you know, the sells are done. Then you can get the buys. What I'm looking for right here, I'm just waiting. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting, bro. I didn't see anything that really. I mean, on the 30 minute, yeah, but I didn't like these wicks over here. It wasn't London open. London open, no volume. So maybe this is the volume finally coming in for London open. Looking to get a funded account. Not sure which firm to start with. Any suggestions? But honestly, like this is my first time testing out the prop firm, so um, I would say just go for a popular. My opinion, I would say go for a popular one that you know, like gives payout, like FTMO. Just read the rules, bro. Read the rules and make sure that they align with you. Gotta make sure you read the rules. But FTMO should be good, like FTMO, what, E8, is it E8? I don't remember. You got some good ones, so go on, let's see. Let me show you where to go, bro. Go to prop firm match. I think it's prop firm match. Okay, you gotta make sure you read the reviews, like all that stuff. So right here, bro, yeah, go to prop firm match. You know, make sure you go to the one with the popular with the reviews. So you got Blueberry, Fivers, EA. Just make sure you read the review, bro. Make sure you read all the reviews. See, this one got a lot of reviews over here. 4.8. You know, so you know they'll be paying. And you got FTMO up here. So these are the good ones. E8 markets, FTMO. You know, funding pips. I'm using a funding pips right now. But you gotta be careful because you see, some just go for the ones up here, bro. You know, they might be a little bit more pricey, but at least you know, like, you won't have like unnecessary issues with them. So you know, these are the ones that you know, paid out. Alpha Capital is really good. I've heard good stuff about Alpha Capital. But go to prop firm match, bro. Prop firm match. Oh, gold is still shooting. Crazy. Crazy stuff on gold, bro. The volume is just coming in. The volume is just coming in. The volume is just coming in, bro. Yeah, so let's just see. Let's see. I'm waiting, bro. I'm waiting for some more structure. Waiting for more structure over here. Bro, if you got in early, bro, like you get them runners now, bro. You're getting them runners. If you got in early, you got them runners, bro. What about Isle? I don't know. I know anything about Isle. Isle. FTMO funding is legit. Yeah, FTMO is legit. The market is slow today. What's up? What's up, Guru? Well, it's just getting some volume, bro. We're just starting getting some volume like 20, 30 minutes ago. The volume is late. So this is looking like the volume right here. You just started with this candle. You started with this candle right here. You know. And then this one just like continue pushing. Crazy stuff. Still pushing. Still pushing, bro. So I don't know. Maybe we can wait on some support, some resistance. Let's see. Either way, there's clean range now. So, left this mess. This up here, this was a mess to me. Like when I see this, it's like just messy to me. Like this was just a mess. So now like it's finally breaking that mess, so I could start waiting for some more structure now. I am on NJ chart. Prop firm is on good if you're a good trader. No, yeah, prop firm is good, bro. You just gotta make sure you stick to the rules. Don't break the rules. That's the only thing with prop firm. You gotta make sure you remember the rules, bro. That's the only thing with them prop firms. That's the only thing with them prop firms, bro. You gotta make sure you remember the rules. 80 Swiss is still going down. Still going down. Gold is pushing, bro. Gold with the late volume. Gold with the 6 a.m. volume. Crazy. 2 hours late. Volume is 2 hours late. Volume is 2 hours late, bro. So now I'm gonna wait to see some support or resistance. And then see where it break. If it break on the upside or break on the downside. Let's see.
Показывай рассвет, я готова окунуться и дойти до дома. Мы все знакомы. Да я смогу тебе открыться только завтра. Мне еще нужно забыть все. Ведь тебе ничего никто не стало слишком знать, зачем врать другим, доверять другим. Я погибаю где-то рядом от любви, это опасно, так что лучше отойди. И на снегу
Brad, do you may invest in crypto or stocks long term? Nah, no crypto, no stocks, bro. Brad, do you know brokers find good traders? Um, Brad, do you know brokers find good traders and get capital when you have Xness live account ongoing? How many percentage chance Xness give you capital? Really? When you have Xness live account ongoing, how many percentage chance Xness give you capital? What you mean? What do you mean, bro? What you mean Xness give you capital?
Incoming mail.
Um, Bro, I think the next 15 minute candle will be bearish. I mean, if you're gonna execute on the next one, bro, might as well have done this one. That's the thing, or even the one before. Might as well have done this one, bro. You know, the next one is gonna be like a reach. Honestly, it's gonna be a reach at that point. It's gonna be a reach, bro. Should have just executed on the other one. That would have been better, bro, to execute on the other one. Yeah, bro. Might as well wait it on the next one. Hey, bro. Do you get an extra hour of sleep today? Oh, nah, bro. Nah. If anything, it's less, bro. We were waking up at 3 a.m. We were starting the stream at 3 a.m. No, we got to start at 2 a.m. But today, bro, I was setting up stuff today. I'm trying to understand if there are any other ways to raise capital. We have only prop firms. Yeah, I would say the prop firms, bro. I don't think the brokers be funding people. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't know. I never heard of that. What is their bias? Bias today? I'm looking for buyers on gold. I'm waiting for some support or something. You know, just gotta wait. I'm gonna wait until I see something. Right now, I don't see anything. You know, price just pushed, so we gotta wait until the next setup. Um,
Снова во сне не хочу, но наяву не нахожу утешения. Себя по кусочкам опять соберу, чтобы смело смотреть в отражение. Мама говорила, будет счастье, мама не заметила запястья, но мама будет меня дома ждать. Время пролетает снова страстно, сон, который маленькие части собираются в одну историю, а я смотрю. Мама говорила, будет счастье, мама не заметила запястья, но мама будет меня дома ждать. Время пролетает снова страстно, сон, который маленькие части собираются в одну историю, а я смотрю.
That's your live account. Brad, cover your user ID. Cover your user ID. I mean, it should be fine. Bro, I have issues myself logging in my own personal thing. You know, like you can't like I gotta go through I got two-factor authentication on, like can't do much. You still need to know the other stuff. Still need to know the other stuff. Hey, you looking good? I feel like I missed the I feel like I mean I was hoping for a better pullback. I didn't like that pullback. Well, it started ranging and then it's just continuing. I don't like that setup. I like seeing this instead. I like seeing this one instead. You know, just a regular pullback. But this one was a different type of you know, it came down, pulled back, started ranging, and then it broke. I mean, it's fine. Like this was also fine if it came back up here. Could have closed 50%. But you know, I'm just waiting. Just waiting over here. It's a Monday, you gotta chill, you gotta wait. So that's what I'm doing, just waiting. Gold, I'm gonna wait on some support. Wait on you know, something to happen. I already missed the sell up here. Like if I was gonna execute sells, it would have to be like once this candle, or this candle. Not doing any sell down here because at that point, like, you know, this is a late entry. This would be a late entry down here. Yeah, this would be a late entry, so maybe let's see. We just gotta wait. Usually, usually I'll see something that if it's in my setup, I'll see. If it's coming down, I need to see support. If I'm looking for buys, if it's gonna continue going down, I need to see like resistance and then like break support on that impulse. So right now it's just nothing. So let's see. Maybe it's printing some stuff on the 5 minute resistance, breaking support. So I just gotta see. I want to wait on the higher time frame confirmation. I want to see this on a 15 minute or so. Like, came up, made some resistance, then it's gonna break, impulse right here. So I want to see that on a 15 minute. I don't really want to see it on a 5 minute. I want to see it on a 15 minute. Okay, so we didn't see this. We didn't see this up here. Sometimes you're gonna see some stuff on a 5 minute, but you just gotta stick to one thing. Just gotta stick to one thing, bro. Just gotta stick to one thing. Let's see. Yeah, this would have been the execution right here, this candle. Because even if you executed on this one, then, this support was here, which is fine. This would be like, this was a 36 pip range, so that's okay. But we just had this here, like, this is an issue. This is an issue. But, it flipped and broke. It broke the previous week and it broke this support as well, so that's good. So this was actually not a bad execution. This is like a 2-in-1. This is like a 2-in-1 right here. Like a nice top wick flip, broke the previous, broke the support. So this was a nice entry right here. Stop loss at the top of this wick. Let's see how many pips. Stop loss 25. Okay, that's not bad. 25. This was a good Fade took this. Fade took this one. Jay Jay took this setup right here. This was a good execution right here. Yeah, right now just waiting on some support. Some support, some resistance, something. If 30-minute candle flip, maybe it could try buy. Yeah, if it flip and close bullish, I would want to see like 15-minute candle closing above. So if I'm gonna look for buys, I want to at least see some rejection, and I'd want to see like a candle, breaking and closing above the previous high of this candle at least. So I'd want to start seeing stuff like that first, and then the next candle, maybe I can see what happened. So just gotta wait. A lot of waiting on Goldie today. A lot of waiting on Goldisha. Yeah, AU is like gone. AU is gone. That's it. No more AU. Say goodbye to AU. Say goodbye. Maybe a deeper pullback later on, but right now it's like goodbye. You could get a pullback on the higher time frame because I don't see this coming all the way down here without some pullback or something. So I'm gonna wait on that and then maybe get in later. Because sometimes, like it does this kind of stuff, then it go back and then it come back. It goes down and then it goes back up, then it comes down later on. Maybe New York session or something. AUD Swiss, I'd want to see some rejection here. GJ oversold. GU is like, I don't like this. It's at support, so I want to wait for it to like close below. GJ same 80 Swiss. Yeah, AU was the only thing that I was looking at. NJ, what you think? I feel like NJ is the same thing as the same thing. Oversold. Oversold. I don't like it. Honestly, bro, I don't like getting in when like it's already like already did all this stuff over here. You know it's ranging though on the lower time frame. Maybe you can do what it just did on AU, you know, in range and then on the break and then stop loss up here, and if it comes back up then maybe you can close, you know. So I feel like this is a stretch though, bro. Like, you know, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles bearish. It's a new week. Maybe there's gonna be some correction. Yeah, you looking good, yeah. That's 100. Yeah, bro, I feel like the JPY, the artists just sold off, bro. You gotta just wait on these things over here. EU, maybe can wait on some support. Yeah, but I'm only looking at these right now. USD Swiss. Bro, you got fake hard on USD Swiss. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That was tough. USD Swiss was tough, bro. I see buy on Euro USD. Yeah, I see buy too. You know, just gotta wait on that confirmation, because you never know, bro. Like how the market been moving, bro. Like on the higher time frame, this could just be, you know, it's like it can come back more. It can make resistance and then like just keep going down. You know how the market been moving, bro. You gotta be super careful. Like I'm not convinced 100% until we start breaking like more highs up here, because really and truly, bro, this thing only broke. Let's see how many highs it broke. It broke this one right here. It broke this one. Let's see. Okay, we got this one right here. It broke and closed above it. And then you got this one. It didn't break this one, bro. So I mean, it needs like one more solid push, and then, you know, we can say buys are in the clear. Yeah, one more solid push. So maybe if it makes support here and then break above this thing, break this high over here, then I could be like, okay, buys. But as of now, bro, like you can never be too like, you know, you never know, bro. Market's been, you know, and this is just obvious too, so you gotta be super careful. So a lot of people can see, okay, you know, buys are incoming, and then the market just like start crashing down again. But it only broke one high, bro. You know, it only broke one high on the higher time frame. On the weekly and stuff, like this could even be rejection, resistance, and then it's gonna do a deeper correction too. So you gotta look at the higher picture, the higher time frame. Yeah, let's see. I look at the higher time frame too. Cause look at this thing. This can easily come down, bro. I say buys are solid. If it can break this level here, then buys are like, you know, I'll be locked in on buys. Right now, bro, it's like it's in between. And right now the 4 hours bearish, so I'll be looking for sells here, but we got support, so it makes no sense. So you just gotta wait. You just gotta wait. See what happens. Like if it starts coming deep, then you know it could be locked in for sells. But look at the daily, like if it's gonna go up, bro, like, you know, it's coming back to the opening of this candle right now, the previous daily candle. Shouldn't come back 50% of the previous candle. If it's gonna go up, but let's see. Last weekly candle on EU shows rejection from the downside. Shows rejection from the downside. Yeah, it's just, I don't know, bro. It's just rejection. Like it could, like some people could look at this as a rejection and then it can fill this week, bro. This could easily be a week fill too. Cause look at the weekly. If this was a 30-minute, if this was a 1 hour candle, if this was on the, if this was a 1 hour time frame, bro, like if you're gonna look for buys, you'd want to see a deeper pullback. Or if this was even a 30-minute time frame or a 30-minute break, you'd want to see a deeper pullback. This is just on the weekly, bro. This is just a 38%. This is just 38%. And there was a weak rejection at 38%, so it can easily come deeper on the higher picture, bro. And the weekly can easily come deeper. Can easily come deeper right here. This was a crazy push. This don't look like a mark. This look like it's about to come down, bro. We're gonna see. We're gonna see what happen. And I'm not convinced with this 38%. Especially it not like that the rejection would be like, okay, so if I was looking at this right, bro, like this would be like some confluence, and then my other confluence would be if it can break this high. If it can break this high, bro, these highs, then I'll be like, okay, yeah, there was a rejection, it's valid, and then this, but this would need something else. I'd want to see this as one confluence and then breaking these highs as one more confluence. I feel like this one is like, it's just one high, and then we got to see what happened down here. If it's going to reject and like, do some stuff. Last week you got to make a week first before the night. Okay, let's see. We just got to see. You just got to see. But EU's in a spot right now where you just got to see. Can't sell and you can't buy. You can buy on the rejection, but sell kind of, I don't know, it's just risky overall. Maybe in a lower time frame you can scalp some stuff, but EU, like, I'm not interested in EU right now. I'm interested in AU, GU, GJ, AD Swiss, CAEA, Euro AUD. Damn, 86 is still pushing. Alright, so GU alert just went off. GU alert actually went off, so I'm gonna see what happened on GU later. I'm gonna see if you want to sell on gold, would you close it? No. Let's see. I would have closed partials a long time ago based on this push. Okay, so see, bro, like the confirmation coming up for buys right now. Bro, if I would have closed partials at this support, I would have already been closing partials, bro. If I executed it sells, it would have probably been somewhere up here. And at this point, it would have closed like at this support at least 80%, 75%. So the rest, this would just be, if price decides to just go down, just leave the 20% here. But I wouldn't be holding this thing anymore. Wouldn't be holding this anymore. Yeah, bro, wouldn't be holding that anymore. And based on this right now, like, what time is it? So let's see how this candle close. I want to see how this candle close. I want to see how this candle close, bro. So this was a fake out for the continuation on the lower time frame. It acted like it was going to continue, it didn't. So let's see. Maybe we could get some buys over here. I think that should be a nice shot. 8 more minutes for this candle to close. So let's see. So you wait long enough, and then all of a sudden you see something. So that's what it is right now. So just waiting to see. Starting to make some sense. So if this candle can like close above this wick with like a body, then I'll be interested, because then this will become like a nice little support. Thanks, I did close portions there. Yeah, can't hold on to themselves. Like we in an uptrend on Goldie, uptrend, bro. I mean, at some point you're gonna get a crazy fall off, but right now, bro, you just gotta secure. Just gotta secure. You just gotta secure. So I got 7 more minutes until this candle close. 7 more minutes. Got a nice clean range, like let's see how many pips. Like 60 pips, bro. So let's see what happened. Let's see. NJ on 50 minutes, my entry 7, so short. Alright, let's see, bro. NJ is short. You entered on the break. Oh, that wick, bro. You got in on a wick. NJ on 50 minutes, my entry 771. Ah, bro, this is tough. No break and close. No close, bro. No close. Russian, this one is tough, bro. This one is tough. Bro, at least if it was looking like AU, like, see, bro, AU at least close. AU at least close below. It's the same type of pullback. It's the same type of pullback. But AU actually closed, bro. So that's the difference between AU and NJ. Came down range. It broke, but it didn't close. So you're in a tough spot, bro. Like, you're in a tough spot right here. Where's the SL? Where's the SL? Is a flip zone, Euro USD, waiting for candlestick and RSI on 20. Let's see what gold is doing real quick. Okay, so I need more confirmation on gold. Gold has to close bullish. If it's looking like this, then you gotta be super careful. It all depends on where this body close. That's super important. Because if it closed with like a tiny body, then you just gotta wait on the next candle all over again. But if it close up here with a body, then that's different. So you gotta see if there's volume in the candle or not. See the 30-minute time frame. See what's happening on the 30-minute. Yeah. So same thing, like if it can close up here, next candle like make a bottom wick flip break, then I'll be interested. But I'm not interested in okay, now it's like changing. You see, like the volume, everything, like it matters. Like you want to see a solid close. That's something that you'd want to see. So I just gotta get set up here just in case. See, this thing is closing too much volume now. It's too much, so it changes a lot. But let's see. Just gotta wait on. I just want to wait on a better top, a better bottom wick compared to if it closed right here. So down here, like it'll be leaning on the bottom wick, but like if it's gonna push this high, I need a proper bottom wick. Need a proper bottom wick. All right, so this is not bad actually. If this thing can Let's see. How many pips? If we can flip, like 20 pips should be okay. Flip right that high, 20 pips. No, let's do 25 pips. 25 pips should be, yeah, like 20 pips. 20 pips is good actually. How many pips till the opening? Oh, it's about to break. Is it gonna break? Oh, right there. Oh, look at that spread. Look at that spread. Crazy spread over here. Yeah, so if this comes back, if this comes back 50%, I'm gonna just close half. So at this point, you can use the bottom of the wick, bottom of the candle. Let's see. Actually, at this point, I don't expect it to come back to the open. If it's gonna come back to the open, like, you know, it's not going up at that point. So let's see. So maybe at 20 pips can close half. Yeah, maybe we can close half somewhere here. So I'm gonna close half here and then put the next one at break even. And then if you hit to this range, I'm gonna close another 25%. So that's what I'm gonna do over here. So let's see. Bro, this thing is lagging. Why is this thing lagging? This thing is lagging like crazy. YouTube's not really doing them soon. This thing is lagging. Bro, am I lagging? Hello? YouTube is not receiving no video maintenance. Yo, yo, yo. Yeah, my thing is lagging. I don't know why. I don't know why it's lagging. I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea why it's lagging. I have no idea why it's lagging. Let me do a speed test. I don't know if it's a computer or what. Okay, so now we got to close another 25% over here. 1.25. Okay, so we got to make sure we secure some profits over here. And then just leave the rest running. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave the rest running just in case. Bro, why is this thing lagging? Let's see. I mean, my internet is fine. I think it might be the software.